Welcome to the world of the elite, where wealth is not just a dream but a reality. Today, we're diving deep into the financial blueprints of millionaires, uncovering the 7 primary income streams that fuel their lavish lifestyles. Let's start with the most common income source, earned income. This is the money you make by trading your time for dollars. While it's a solid foundation, it's often not enough to build a millionaire's fortune. An example of this is a highly skilled surgeon who might earn a substantial salary, but their income is capped by the number of hours they can work. This is where the magic happens. Investment income is the money your money makes. Stocks, bonds, real estate, dividends, and interest are all part of this game. Building a substantial investment portfolio is a cornerstone of wealth accumulation. An example of this is Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest investors, who has built his fortune primarily through shrewd stock investments and owning businesses. Entrepreneurship is the engine of many millionaire dreams. Business income comes from owning and operating a profitable enterprise. From small businesses to multinational corporations, the potential for wealth is immense. An example of this is Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, who transformed an online bookstore into a global e-commerce giant, generating billions in business income. Real estate is a classic wealth-building asset. Rental income is the cash flow generated from properties you own. It's a steady and reliable income stream that can provide financial security. An example of this is Donald Trump, a renowned real estate mogul who has amassed significant wealth through rental income from his vast property empire. Have you created something unique? Royalty income rewards intellectual property. From book sales to patent licenses, this income stream can be lucrative and ongoing. An example of this is J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, who has earned billions in royalties from book sales, movie adaptations, and merchandise. Selling assets can generate significant income. This includes real estate, stocks, businesses, or valuable possessions. Timing and market conditions are crucial for maximizing profits. An example of this is many tech entrepreneurs who become millionaires by selling their companies during IPOs or to larger corporations. Passive income is the holy grail for many. It's money that comes in with minimal effort once the system is set up. Online courses, digital products, and rental properties are popular avenues for passive income. An example of this is many bloggers and influencers who generate substantial passive income through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and digital product sales. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. By understanding and leveraging these 7 income streams, you can increase your chances of financial freedom. Remember, it's not about one income source, but a diversified approach that leads to long-term financial success.